Guys, this is a short video to show you what I got in the mail today. Is this beautiful 1984 Spartan, and this particular knife has a few interesting things about it. The first one, it's the logo, the Victorinox logo, that it's on the back side instead of the front, like a regular Victorinox knife. And also this particular model comes with a toothpick, just a toothpick, in terms of scale tools. On the front side it has an advertisement for this company called Pacific Bell Smart Yellow Pages, and this is how I tracked the year, the birth year of the knife. I made a quick research about the company, and it was founded in 1984. Other than that, there's not much to say about it. In terms of the tools, it's a pretty basic Spartan cap lifter with a 90-degree stop, can opener with a 3mm screwdriver. The camera will ever focus. Yeah. On the other side, the regular main blade with the tank stamp, the old tank stamp, Victorinox Switzerland stainless roast fry, and on the other side the Officer Swiss with a crossbow. Here the small blade, and of course the back tools that consist of a 4-turn corkscrew. As you can see, this knife needs a thorough cleaning, and also the awl/reamer with the sewing eye, a very dirty awl. And as I mentioned before, the only scale tool found on this knife, it's the toothpick. And of course the keyring. So it's a pretty interesting model. This one will, after cleaning it, it will go straight to my personal collection. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.